Let's make quick okra soup. I've already prepped all my ingredients. Okra soup is one of the easiest. So let's put it together. Now add palm oil in your pot. Now add iru, some crayfish to release the fragrance. Now add onions. I love onions. And some peppers. Now stir and allow to fry a bit. Now stir. It has dried. Now I'm going to add my blended okra to make it slimy. I blended half and chop half. Stir, 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 stir. Now I'm going to add my cooked protein. Some chicken and lamb. And some lamb. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to loosen it up. Add water to your preferred consistency. I'm going to allow it to cook. Now let's check. Okay, I'm going to add my mushroom. I brought it out from my freezer. So I'm going to allow it to cook a little bit before adding my chopped okra. All right. Now I'm going to add my chopped okra. Okra, cooked mackerel fish, my spinach. Everything is going in now. Seasoning cube. And more crayfish. Stir, stir. And allow to cook. Our soup is almost ready, you guys. Now it's ready. The okra is ready. I'm gonna off the heat and make my pounded yam. Now I add small amount of not vegetable oil, extra virgin olive oil for easy digestion. Now, oh wow, so soft and fluffy. Now it's ready. Time to dish out the food. Now the soup, the okra soup. Now ready. We are done cooking. I am done for the day. Bye.